All right, everybody, welcome back to Throttle Grotto. I am here with my friend Jason and his 1988, what is this? 560 SEC. You'd think I would have memorized that before I started this, but all right, everybody, so I am wearing a different shirt and I am here.
I don't know what to do with my hands.
I'm here with my friend Jason, who owns the car.
Hi, everybody.
And I figured since I'm not Mercedes smart, I'm not Mercedes smart, I'm going to let someone who is Mercedes smart talk a little bit about this car and why he picked it up.
So it's an 87, 88 560 SEC. Was owned by a friend's dad. It sat for a really long time. I've always wanted one ever since Miami Vice.
Yes.
Right. That all white AMG 560 or 500 probably then. That just sunk in. That's what I needed. I had to have one. So finally got one.
Now you just need a white suit
with
to
a
go.
pink shirt.
Yes.
I wear my shirt underneath
it. Right. So the interior in this car, quite possibly covered with either cocaine or mold.
It was the 80s, you never know.
It was a hard 80s, yeah. So, but it's missing a lot of stuff, but I think most of it's going to clean up pretty well.
It's got good bones.
Good bones.
Right.
And we have the emblem for the trunk, but we've got parts of the body kit that are still in the car.
2/3 of a Lawrencer body kit. If you know anybody who's got a front end, let me know.
Yeah, we could just definitely leave that in the comments below because we're going to need some parts for this car. Under the hood, tell us a little about what's going on in the hood besides this giant rat nest that's up in the corner here.
Well, it's a 5.6 liter overhead cam V8. Plenty powerful, automatic trans for cruising.
Mm-hmm.
Missing some parts there again. It was robbed for other projects, so.
All right, everybody. So that is the introduction for the 560 SEC project, and it's going to be a long-term project for sure.
Heck yeah.
But it should be a fun one to follow along with. I don't know if we talked about it. This car apparently has a little bit of provenance behind it.
Supposedly it was once owned by Frank Sinatra, so I got a little bit of digging to do. Rutledge, I'm coming after you.
Hopefully Rutledge sees this so that he knows he's getting come after.
Right.
But yeah, we're going to try to figure out and trace the history on this car a little bit. One of the previous owners has already done that, and supposedly it goes back to Frank Sinatra, but we can't prove it yet. So
yeah, he's no longer with us. So
yeah, we can't really ask him. I mean, we could, but it'd be a little creepy.
Ouija board.
Maybe. But anyway, so that's it. Next episode, we're going to clean the heck out of the outside of this car and see what kind of condition it's in. So
layers of junk.
10 years of stored outside.
Yeah.
So we're going to, next time you'll get to see what it looks like all cleaned up. So until then, get out there and work on something.
Do it. Hey guys. Sorry.
Huh.
Hey guys.